Hello guys! Welcome back for another free time vlog. So for today's video ay tayo mag-game ulit. Maglalaro tayo ng ML. At syempre pipiliin nating hero ay iba rin. Wait lang. Sana nakikita ako sa video. Gamit natin yung bagong studio light natin. So ewan ko kung maayos ang itsura ko dyan sa studio light. Pero mas nakakasilaw yung ilaw. So ibig sabihin mas malinaw yung ilaw na yun ngayon. Wait lang. Yan, stream na tayo. Sana nakikita. Yan. So, dito tayo sa bot. Sana hindi mag-down yung mic ko. Mawalan ng battery. Kasi pangalawang video ko na to ngayon. So, kanina pa siya nagagamit. Hopefully, hindi siya mag-last siya until later. Yan. So, gaya ng dati, ang gusto kong binaban si Fanny at saka si Saber. Kasi napakahirap nilang kalaban. Marami namang mahirap na kalaban, pero usually kasi yun ang pinipili nila eh. So, suggest lang tayo since hindi tayo yung nagbaban.
Your team is picking.
Ngayon, ang pipiliin nating hero is... Sino ba? Sino ba? Ang tagal mag-load. Ay, hindi po yata. Nakapili na sila. Yan, so, saan na tayo ngayon? Si Mia. Mia Gaming.
I am more than
The
a
enemy is
weapon.
picking.
You are facing a
Gaze
cluster.
the stars and
Please
seek
pick a
your
hero.
path.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
So, syempre, hindi tayo ganun kagaling, guys. Huwag na kayong mag-expect masyado. Ano lang to? Simpleng laro lang. Mga mamaya isipin nyo, magaling na magaling ako. Which is hindi.
As fleeting as a snowflake's
The enemy
breath,
is picking.
as timeless as a glacier's heart.
It is my mission to banish all darkness.
Need some stitches? I can
Your
help.
team is picking.
I have a heart of light. Therefore, I do not fear the darkness.
It is who we are.
So, mukhang magagaling yung kalaban, guys. At hopefully magaling din yung mga
Rises when I
kakampi
give
ko.
the word.
Hopefully, dasal-dasal. Di daan sa dasal. Sana magagaling sila para manalo ako. Manalo kami. Yan. Check ko lang yung ano. Okay naman. Kasi alam yung mga ano eh, no? Yung mga emblem eh, no? Emblem ba yun? Hindi, gamit pala. Gamit. So, naisip kong palitan yung pangalawang, ano, recommendation din sa, ano. So, syempre, mabilis ang ating internet, fiber, PLDT.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed. As twilight falls,
Bot
the
lang
new
ng bot.
moon draws
Eme.
near. Request backup!
Usually guys, nagyayaya ako ng ibang kakampi. Ayoko mag-isa dun sa bot or sa top. Sa lane, sa bot lane at saka sa top lane. Tingnan mo, nakatago na kagad siya sa ano. Nakatago na kagad yung kalaban sa bush. Pumuna pa sa akin. Kala mo ha. Sige, sige, tak, patay. Sakit. Ako. Deads.
Initiate retreat.
Until the new moon graces us again, my fight carries on.
Launch attack.
Bilis niyang tumakbo, no? Ah, dahil dun sa boots pala. Bumili yata yung isa ko yata ang gamit boots eh. Natake ako agad. Kala mo ah. Sige, dead. May tumakbo.
You can't run from my arrow.
Tatago tayo. Wala, ayaw nila lumapit eh.
For Azria, our last homeland.
Hindi sana kung lumapit sila. Bang. Aray.
Have been slain.
Wala, napagkakaisahan.
Request backup.
Tapos wala pang kampi.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Yan o, sarap patayin no? Wala nang health.
Slain. An enemy has been slain.
The way of the
Oh.
arrow.
Killing spree.
And precise.
Attack the turtle. An ally has slain the turtle.
My aim is true.
Kala mo ah.
Initiate retreat.
Ayoko yung kalaban na to. Tingnan mo, nakaano siya sa ulo ko.
Trespassers will not be tolerated.
Isit na kalaban yan.
Mega kill.
Until the new moon graces us again,
Unstable
my
network.
fight carries on.
Ult is not ready. Push first. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Push
The
first.
moonlight spares no mercy to the foes of Azrael. Wise choice.
Unstoppable. Shut down.
Yeah.
Back.
Launch attack. Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Fade into the moonlight.
Launch attack.
Yan yung ayaw kong kalaban.
The way of the hunter.
Launch attack.
Modern, respectful, and sincere.
Mega kill. You destroy the turret.
Ay, hindi pala kalaban yun. Nasaan na yung kalaban kanina?
My arrow is my answer.
You have
Oh.
slain an enemy. Unstoppable.
Galing ko mag-push na guys. Hanggang push na lang ako. Yan na yung kalaban na
May
ayaw
the
ko.
moon forever shine upon us.
Takbo na tayo.
Launch attack! Godlike!
Kampi, may kampi, may kampi. Sige. Sige. Patayin. Pag.
An enemy!
Alam mo, nakaganti rin.
Moonlight.
Ult is not ready.
Pa.
Kill!
Trespassers will not be tolerated.
Attack the turtle! Launch attack! Launch attack! Destroy the turtle!
My arrow is
Launch attack!
fade into the moonlight.
Shut down! An enemy has been slain! Ally has Initiate retreat! An ally has slain the turtle!
I'm ready to re-enter the battle.
Ult is not ready. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat! Legendary! Push her down!
The moon impartially sheds her grace on every corner of the forest. May the moon forever shine.
May force field ka pa. Kala mo ha. Hindi ko alam yung hero na yon guys. Yung kalaban, yung napatay ko.
Launch
Our
attack!
last homeland.
Force field nga ba yun talaga? Yung bilog?
Killing
Mid
spree!
tayo. Sige.
There's no
Sige kita
mercy.
titigilan. Kasi kita napapatay.
Slain an enemy!
Wise choice.
Ete ka. Gigil mode eh, no?
Watch your back.
Double kill!
Alam mo ha.
Destroy the turret!
Push na push.
My aim
Has been slain!
Push. Ano yung force field ba yun? Force field ba yun?
May the moon have mercy on you.
Sige.
Double kill!
Perish in the sacred moonlight.
Initiate retreat!
The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, and
Our turret
precise.
has been destroyed. Launch attack! Shut down!
The
Siyempre, namatay.
eclipse.
Launch attack!
Dalawa sila eh.
Backup!
Hindi natin kaya.
Initiate retreat! Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has
Malalakas din yung mga kampi ko, no guys?
Graces us again.
Sugod na.
My
Tapusin
fight
na yan.
carries on.
killing spree!
The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated.
An enemy has been slain. Shut down!
Yan ang mga gusto kong hero eh. Mabilis tumira.
Double kill!
Kaso marurupok sila guys eh. Madali silang patayin.
The moon impartially sheds her grace.
So, pabilisan
on
ng ano
every
eh.
corner of the forest.
Pabilisan ng tira na lang. Push. Basag. Bilis.
Initiate retreat!
Sana basag.
My answer.
Killing spree!
Fade into the moonlight.
Initiate retreat!
Hindi ako.
Trespass trespassers will not be
Push na,
tolerated.
push. Nasaan ba yung mga kampi ko? Push. Yun pa, oh.
Launch attack.
The forest is on my watch when the moon
Sige, sige. No. Okay ako.
Free.
bow before the glory of the moon goddess.
Down. Double
May
kill.
the moon have mercy on you.
Initiate retreat.
Buti na lang, may life steal ako, no guys?
Ally has slain Lord.
My aid. May the moon forever shine. Another successful hunt.
Takbo. Takbo na.
Initiate retreat. Has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
For our
Unstoppable.
Our last
Double
homeland.
kill. Destroyed a turret.
Basag na pala to.
Team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Slain.
Siyempre, panalo! Hindi, magaling lang yung mga kasakampi ko. Tsaka natsambahan lang na hindi ganun kaano yung mga kalaban. Hindi pala ako MVP doon. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye-bye!